using cardboard, I made a template that is wide enough for this base, because these stairs that I purchased from Hobby Lobby, they are too narrow and I didn't want them to be narrow, and they were too short, so I needed an extra step for this width from top to bottom. So what I did was I laid these stairs on some cardboard like that, and I traced it over them in the front all the way to the back, front and back. Then I cut them out. I made two. So once I did it one like this, I flipped it over and I traced it again, and I did the other side, having two. Then I added the extra step. Okay, then I cut it out with an X-Acto knife. Once I cut it, I remember that this little part right here is the top of each step. So I put it there in the opening. I held it in place with some masking tape to figure out what was my width. I didn't measure. No, I just took some poster board, okay, and I measured with the poster board the landing and the side of each. So I have the landing and the side, and now I have to take popsicle sticks, okay, because if I just leave that part there and I do everything with poster board and cardboard, my stairs are not going to be sturdy. So I'm going to take my popsicle sticks, and these are not the large ones. These are the ones that the doctors use, but I'm taking these, and I had already cut some of these for a different DIY, but I'm going to measure. I'm going to take my templates, I'm going to measure, and I am going to cut. I'm going to sand them down a little bit, and I'm going to cover these parts. I'm going to cover them with some masking tape and some poster board so that it's a little bit sturdier. And then I'm going to glue my landings in place, and then I am going to put the stairs in place right under there. This is how the frame looks. It's still, I know it's dry because I glued it this morning. I put masking tape to hold it in place, the two pieces. I also have the door, front and back. These are two doors that are glued together. And I'm going to cover the door first with some poster board that I put however I'm going to decorate my bathroom. So then I'm going also, once I'm ready to, I have to paint all the frames of everything throughout the whole entire first floor. And this is just the first floor. This is not the second floor and the third floor. Once I'm done with the first floor, then I'll get started with the second floor. And when I do the walls and stuff, I'll show you exactly how I did this, because I still have my bay windows for the second part over there. So there's going to be bay windows in the bathroom and bay windows in the bedroom, but the bay windows of the bathroom are going to